Hey everyone, welcome back to the Think Stats. As the India-England Test series is around the corner, let's find out in this video which batsmen have most runs in India-England Test series. And we'll also see towards the end of this video which current batsman is in the top 15. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our visualization. India played their first Test match against England in 1932 at the Lords. In this visualization, along with the runs, you can see the number of innings played by the batsman, his average and the number of centuries he has scored. The percentage on the right side shows percentage of away runs, which is a better analyzing factor. With the help of a brilliant century of Pankaj Roy, India registered their first ever Test win in the 5th Test at Chennai in the year 1952. In 1962, England's Ken Barrington dethroned Merchant from the top spot after a great run in the series. In the year 1964, Vijay Manjrekar, who was the second highest run scorer of the previous series in 1961-62, moved to the top spot. Manjrekar along with Barrington became the first two batsmen to cross the 1000 run mark in India-England Test. In the year 1974, Farooq Engineer became the third batsman to cross 1000 runs in India-England Test. In the year 1976-77, Sunil Gavaskar entered the top 15 list and started moving up rapidly. In the 1979 series, he scored the most 542 runs in the series and dethroned Barrington from the top spot. In the 1982 series, Gavaskar again scored 500 runs in the series and increased his gap with the other players and also surpassed 2000 plus runs in India-England Test. In 1990, Graham Gooch scored 752 runs in the series, including a triple century. It's the most by any batsman in India-England series. In the year 2000-2001, Sachin Tendulkar entered the top 15 list and started moving in leaps and bounds with the most 307 runs in the series. Rahul Dravid, who was the second highest run scorer with 600 plus runs in 2002 series, entered the top 15 with the most 309 runs in 2005-06 series. In 2008-09, Sachin Tendulkar became the second batsman to cross 2000 runs in India-England Test. In the year 2011, Rahul Dravid started moving up rapidly after scoring 300 in the England series. Kevin Pietersen, who was the highest run scorer of that series, entered the top 15 along with Alastair Cook. In the series of 2012-13, Sachin Tendulkar reached the top spot. In the 2016-17, Cook became the first English batsman to cross 2000 runs in India-England Test. In 2018, Joe Root and Virat Kohli entered the top 15 list, with both being the highest run scorers for their respective teams. By the end of the last series, which was played early this year in India, both the captains, Joe Root and Virat Kohli, along with Cheteshwar Pujara, are the three current batsmen in the top 15 list. Overall, Sachin Tendulkar is at the top, followed by Gavaskar and Cook, all three scoring 2000 plus runs in India-England Test. So that brings an end to this video with the hope of an exciting India-England Test series. Hope you like this video, and for more such cricket stats and insights, subscribe to Think Stats.